Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Wattpad app. This is a simple process, but having a clear profile picture can make your Wattpad profile look more professional and personalized. First, open the Wattpad app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and click on your current profile photo. Then, click on the Settings icon, which is also located at the top right. After that, navigate to Profile and Account Settings. Once you're in the Profile settings, click on Profile Picture. Here, you will have the option to choose a photo from your phone's gallery. Select the image you want to use, and it will be uploaded instantly. Make sure the photo you choose is clear and represents your profile well. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.